Good morning, fellow traders. Bowen here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Wednesday, January the 13th, 2021. Hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check see where we left off the market yesterday. So SPX ended up closing up like a point and a half yesterday. Still green here on the monthly chart over the upper Bollinger Band. Inside weak right now. And really key thing is for us to hold yesterday's lows, right? So we bounced off the ADMA. If we start to break down below here, things start to kind of lose composure, right? Then we'll see how we handle the channel, see how we handle all these levels. But right now we're still working on a bullish move up, bullish count up, 1, 2, 3, 4 off of this the ADMA. Let's see if we can get to the top of the inside day range if we can break out from there and finish the wave 5 move, sub wave 5 move to get to the top of the channel. So we'll see how that goes here going into today. Let's take a look at the SPY and see how it's behaving here pre-market. Again, it had a little increased volume yesterday because we had a little bit of selling pressure going on. This morning we're just kind of triangulating right here, a couple little droopy action right there. We're generally pretty flat here going into today. So we'll see how that goes. S&P futures down 5 points. It's been just kind of chopping around these geometrical lines right here. It's starting to get a little bit scary. Quick bounce off the signal zone here this morning. So we'll see how that holds. If we lose this signal zone and we get into the single prints from yesterday, I'm telling you that RTH low, yesterday's lows, regular trading hour lows, needs to hold. Otherwise, watch out below. So we'll see. If we can push it over the overnight highs and yesterday's highs, right, then over the signal zone, it could get interesting for the bulls, and that bullish wave count could hold. So let's see how this goes going into today. That little bounce right there, it's going to go ahead and shift our geometric line for later today there. So let's see how that holds today. Right, it's pre-market. We can do what we want. All right, let's take a look at the MES here and see how that's doing. Again, same thing. So again, we've got an old geometric line up here, so I've just been stretching this out every time we set new pivots on it. We got a little bit of a breakout, kind of served as a kind of this inverse head and shoulders neckline breakout today for a little bit of a move pre-market, but no real volume going through it. So again, just kind of keep an eye on this going into today. Let's take a look at the Qs this morning. Again, they've been staying below their downward trend line from the other day. So looking a little droopy here this morning. Again, big tech has just been struggling a little bit. More flow has been going into these electric vehicle names and electric vehicle space, right? So that's and batteries, charging, all that stuff has been pretty epic recently. The IWM again really wasn't too scared, right? So we weren't too worried about a big market flush yesterday if the IWM was holding up, and it did. Just a quick bounce off of the 15 orb high yesterday, and of course the XLF held in pretty well yesterday too. But a little bit of caution, right? Here's your flagpole. There's a potential bull flag going today. This kind of needs to hold to break down below these levels, and some weakness in the XLF would not be good for the market today. So we'll keep an eye on that going into the action here. So Apple looks like it's gapping up a little bit here pre-market. Could be forming a bull flag here this morning. Tesla. So Tesla down a little bit here pre-market, but could be working similarly on a larger bull flag. So let's see how it holds going into today as well. All right, good stuff. So we're going to take a look at a few names that are on our radar going into today for Bubble Report and Elite Access members. So again, guys, thanks for tuning in to the free Good Morning Market Prep video. Hope everybody has a great trading day today and stay healthy out there. Remember, risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. We'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.